Speedo. Do you saw that?
Do you see how fast your sister went? Bye, Calvin.
Hey, my back to Speedo. Here's the wheel right here. That means I didn't always talk to people on here. If I don't want to, I then just turn it off.
Oh, wow. Very cool.
And the Speedo it never gets dirty.
Oh, it never gets dirty. Wow. Is it because you wash it?
You then never wash it.
How do you keep it clean?
Well, you just don't put it in the glass because if you pull the glasses and roll them on my motorcycle, it is not dirty, not just messy. So I'm never going to do that.